Hello, my dear friends. I'm so excited to officially welcome to Hope Judith family. This is a home for everyone who believes that simple stories can change lives. From today onwards, I'll be sharing universal life lessons, real stories that inspire, empower, transform lives. Stories around the world that speak to every heart, no matter where you come from and what your journey looks like. Stories like the widow who built a school from nothing, the man who tried to buy back wasted time, and the small act of kindness that saved life, and many more stories that teach, heal, and challenge us. And I promise that every story you watch here will inspire you, empower you, and transform your life for the better. So if you're ready to grow, learn, and be inspired, I invite you to subscribe today, turn on your notification bell, and join the Hope Judith family. Together we will build a global community that believes in hope, kindness, and the power of storytelling. This is just the beginning. I'm grateful and honored you are here. Let's start this journey of inspiration together. Welcome once again to Hope Judith family, where stories change lives, one story at a time. See you in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye-bye.